What if adding just one customer photo to your website made twice as many people buy your stuff? Most businesses mess up something called social proof. They either don't use it at all or they use it the wrong way, making customers actually trust them less when customers are supposed to trust them more because of social proof. Today I'm going to show you 5 easy ways to use social proof to sell more, one big mistake to avoid, and the exact question to ask to get amazing reviews from your customers. Social proof is just a fancy way of saying people copy what others do. When we aren't sure about something, we look around to see what everyone else is doing. If lots of people like something, we think to ourselves, this must be good. Your job is to show your customers that lots of people already love your product or your service. And here are 5 ways to do this right now. Number 1, customer reviews. This means stories from real people who bought from you. Short reviews like "this is great" aren't actually enough. You need stories, and I'll give you questions later to help customers tell those stories. Number 2, big numbers. When people see big numbers, they feel safer. For example, join 10,000 happy customers today. Downloaded 1 million times. Marking a product as most popular can help as well. This makes new customers think, if so many people chose this, it must be safe. It must be good as well. Number 3, expert approval. Experts are people who really know about something. If they say your product is good, other people are going to believe them as well. So you can use quotes from experts, logos of well-known companies you've worked with, awards you've won. This tells customers even experts trust us. Number 4, famous people. When a famous person says your product is good, people want it too, but famous people are actually expensive. Instead, using popular people from your own group or community, or even mini influencers. They're cheaper and they still work great as well. It still comes with that form of famous person social proof. Number 5, friends and family. People generally trust their friends and family the most. If you can make it easy for happy customers to tell their friends about you, and give them rewards for sharing your product, they will most likely look to the friends and family and think, you know what? That's actually a pretty good product, and it's trusted by people I know well as well. So you got the 5 tips of how to use social proof properly. But when I have consulted for many big brands, different businesses as well, I actually see a massive mistake that businesses make in social proof. They end up using negative social proof. Negative social proof means talking about how many people fail or make mistakes. For example, 80% of people fail. Don't be one of them. Thousands lose money by not doing this. This doesn't actually help. It uses social proof in reverse. It makes people think it's normal to fail. And there's studies which go into this, which show that sometimes you can influence the wrong outcome by social proofing the wrong outcome. Saying big numbers like that is only good if you're social proofing the correct outcome. Instead, always keep the things positive. As an example, join the many people who succeeded by doing this thing, or by taking this product, or by using this service. That is an example of how you can turn that negative social proof onto positive social proof. Next, I'm going to show you how to get amazing reviews and how to actually use social proof and get your customers to accurately tell their stories as well. So if you want great reviews, you don't just ask, can you leave a review? Because you'll get boring answers. This product was great. This service was very good. And you gotta ask these 3 questions instead. What problem did you have before using our product? What good things happened after using it? What's your favorite part about this product or service, and why? This actually helps make it easy for your customer to write powerful reviews. They'll say things like, I had this problem, and after I used this product, things got better, and this is my situation right now. My favorite part was actually this feature because it was different from everybody else. This actually does the selling for you. And that's a review that will do the heavy lifting when it comes to using social proof as well. So it's a very effective way of using this. And some of the most successful companies use this format when it comes to getting their customers to do reviews. Now, you know how to use social proof to sell more, but did you know that there's actually common mistakes that could ruin everything in persuasion if you don't have a good understanding of it? even if you use social proof correctly. So in my next video, I'll show you the 5 biggest mistakes businesses make that lose them sales, like why perfect 5-star ratings might actually hurt your business, contrary to popular belief, rather than a 4.9 average sale rating. If you click on the video on the screen now, I'll see you in that next video.